Excuse me, I just thought you looked really nice. You celebrating something? Whoa, wait, how'd you go from photography and theater to...
Lab science.
Yeah, lab science. I would be so fine with it for sure. Tell your family I said hi. I was expecting you to tell me, oh, you know, like, it's fine. And then you're just like, just go for it. I'm like, oh, wait, what?
Hello, I hope you're having a nice day. Welcome to Social Animal. This channel is about talking to people, whether you want to crack a joke with an old man or flirt with that cute girl crossing the street. We're all human beings, and if you want to talk to someone, go for it, express yourself. Today you're gonna meet Nick. Nick recognized me in Brooklyn about 2 weeks ago, and he agreed to spend a day talking to some people. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. So I'm with Nick. We're in Brooklyn, Williamsburg.
I really like the idea of just talking to whoever you want without fear. And in terms of like awkwardness, I'm scared of just being like stuck next to someone and then they're like, they don't want to talk to me. I'm just gonna, I don't know.
You can start.
Excuse me. Hi. I just thought you looked really nice, so I wanted to come say hi. Do you want me to put my mask on? Are you?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, thanks.
Are you on the phone? Did I bother you?
Oh, yeah, sorry. I was just busy with something.
Okay. You, on a Sunday, you're super busy with like work and stuff? Yeah. Do you mind if I sit down? Do you care?
I was actually just about to hop on a call.
Okay.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
No worries, no worries. Yeah, have a good Sunday. Oh, I just actually moved out here to Williamsburg. And how long have you been here?
Just a couple of months actually.
Okay.
I moved with my boyfriend
Yeah.
in June or July around that time.
Okay.
So just when we knew we didn't need to go back to we were like, let's not live in the city.
Right. Yeah, okay. Well,
But we'll
thanks. Yeah, take care. Usually if I want to talk to someone, it's dependent on my friends being there, me being very happy being with them. If I'm by myself, I'm just the same nervous self, you know? So it's not a ingrained habit. It's not something that's part of my daily life. Do you mind if I sit here? Is that okay?
Oh, go ahead. Thanks.
I can put my mask on if you want. How's your day going?
I'm doing alright. How are you?
I'm not bad. Just kind of enjoying the Sunday, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Do you live over here?
I just moved out here, actually. I lived in the Lower East Side.
Oh, nice.
And I don't know, it kind of died down. The crowd's not there anymore, really. So,
I haven't done like much at all since March, honestly. Like everyone I know moved out of New York pretty much,
right?
Except for 2 people, and so it's just been like, damn.
Oh, wow.
I work in healthcare, so.
Oh, so do I.
Do what?
I also work in healthcare.
Oh, okay. What do you do?
Sorry, I used to enjoy like going to coffee shops and just like sitting there and having the energy of people around me, but you know, it's not really a thing.
What's your name?
Nick. Sorry.
Hey,
yeah.
Nick.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
For whatever reason, when I moved to New York,
Mm-hmm.
things like career kind of took over because it's such a like gotta survive place.
Right,
you know?
right.
And so like I used to do theater and like
Oh, cool.
I wrote a lot and I love photography too. That's actually a really good idea. That was my first major. I was a photo J major.
Whoa, wait, how'd you go from photography and theater to...
Lab science.
Yeah, lab science. I gotta get going. It was good meeting you. Yeah.
Do you want to exchange?
Yeah, sure. Actually, yeah, I'd love to. I'm like right down here, so I'll definitely... I had like a housewarming party the other day, actually.
Oh, nice. Well, hey. Nice. Yeah. Well, awesome to meet you. Great to make a connection.
Nice to meet you too.
I don't think that's happened in at least a year, probably. Because like nobody talks to each other. So.
Okay. Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Take care, man.
Yeah. I'll see you.
It was cool to just talk to someone and like about just whatever and have things to talk about and connect with them. And I like the idea of just being able to do that all the time. So it was really cool to make it realistic. There's 2 benefits to this. One is like, oh, you meet a bunch of people that you never expected to meet. And 2, because it's normal to talk to anyone, there's no difference between that guy sitting there or that attractive girl. Excuse me. Hey.
Hi.
I just thought you looked really nice.
Oh,
and
thank you.
I wanted to come up here and say hello.
Oh, thank you.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. I was just kind of, enjoying the Sunday, kind of
Yeah.
walking around.
Uh-huh.
I moved out here pretty recently.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
Where'd
kind of
you move
exploring. I moved from the Lower East Side.
I was there last night, actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Celebrating?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
What'd you do in the Lower East Side?
We went...
What, do you have plans for the day?
Yeah, I'm actually on my way to meet a friend for lunch.
Okay.
But that's really it.
You must be really early because you had like a calm, kind of dreamy walk, you know?
Yeah. I know, I'm like waiting for her to... She's like running a little late, so... Yeah, I'm kind of just walking. But...
Just wandering around, yeah.
Yeah.
What's your name? Sorry, I forgot to ask. My name's Nick.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah, I feel like I should have thought of something more to
No,
say.
it's okay.
It's really hard meeting people, especially nowadays.
Yeah, I get that.
But yeah, I mean, it was good meeting you.
Yeah, nice
I'd
meeting
love
you.
to grab a drink with you sometime if you're interested.
Sure, I'll take your number down.
Yeah.
I just called you, so hopefully it gives...
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Oh, I like your checkerboard sneakers.
Thank you.
I'm shopping for like Converses and stuff too because these are all raggedy and stuff.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, I need new ones too. Alright,
Yeah.
I gotta keep heading this way though. Nice
Good talking to you. It was good. I mean, I was trying to calm nerves in general.
Yeah, you seemed...
You can tell the difference.
Yeah. So the situation right now is there's a girl who's on her phone. She's over there next to two guys. And Nick is debating what he should do.
Put it in the comments.
What is making you anxious about the situation?
Just that the two dudes are going to look at me. It's going to be awkward, especially if I get rejected in front of them and she's like, oh, I'm busy, don't talk to me, kind of a thing. Just general nervousness regarding that. Excuse me. Hey, sorry, I can put my mask on. I just thought you were... Oh, sorry. I just thought you were beautiful. Wanted to let you know. Take care. Excuse me. Hi. I just thought you were really cute.
Sorry.
So I wanted to come say hello.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Although.
Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize. Yeah, you look really picturesque, and I was walking by. I just wanted to let you know. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. I'm sorry. I don't know if it was like an important business call or something that I interrupted. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Tell your family I said hi.
Thank you.
Take care.
Appreciate it.
It's not easy to do. Hello. How's your day going? I like your outfit, man. I like your clothes, yeah. You celebrating something? No. Just Sunday? It's a really nice day outside. Have a good day.
Not everyone wants to chat.
Right.
And I think that's okay. Sometimes you don't want to chat. Sometimes people don't want to chat. Like.
Yeah, and he was receptive. He was still like, oh, thank you. So. Excuse me. Hey, I just thought you looked really nice. I wanted to say hi. Do you mind if I sit here? What's your name? My name's Nick. Nice to meet you too.
And you like the area?
I think I do. I think I do.
Restaurants?
Right. It's much more lively because I think people actually live here, and exactly, yeah. And I deleted everything off my phone, like Facebook and like Tinder and all of those things. I was just like, it's too, especially in a time where you're like craving human connection.
Yeah.
It's like it's bad for your mental health. I
And
think.
then you waste so much time on it too. That's what I'm realizing.
Right. But yeah, I got to get going. How old are you, by the way?
I'm 22.
Okay. I'd love to grab a drink with you sometime if you're into it.
Yeah. How old are you? If you're gonna answer.
Guess.
I don't know. What time is that?
Yeah, it's close.
Oh.
28.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Are you free this week?
Yeah. Sure.
Right?
Yes.
I'm Nick, in case you forgot.
All right. Here we go. It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
I'll
Take
see you
care.
then.
Yeah. Enjoy your book. I was trying to be, I think it's easier, like I said, to be like, at least for me, calmer if I think they're not like in a rush and like kind of walking away.
Like, how was today for you? Like, what are some thoughts about today?
It was good, especially the ones that are just people I'm not attracted to or anything like that, just because, and then it was friendly and we had a really good talk. I think those were really important for me.
Okay. Why?
Because it forces me to understand that the habit portion of this, the idea that the more I do it, the easier it's going to get, and the more I do it with different people, the easier it's going to get when it's the girl you really want to talk to or anything like that. So that habit is something that I was looking forward to understanding, and I did. And even situationally, right? Because I'm so used to like running up to someone, telling them they look good, trying to make a connection, and then running away, essentially.
Interesting.
Now this is like
sit in the moment.
Yeah, now it's like sit with them, try to connect with them.
Interesting. I also think that maybe
My comfort zone is not necessarily talking to people, and because I have a lot of friends and I know how to connect with people naturally. I think for me it's like the difficult situations or
like talking to people without the context
and the narrative in my head of like sitting next to them on a bench is something I've just never done, so now it's a big thing, or making my way in the middle of everyone to a middle of the grassy field and sitting next to her. Those things are just out of my comfort zone because I've just never done them.
Do you have anything to tell to the people watching this video right now?
I think that first step of like trying it is the hardest part, and then as you start like spinning the wheel in your head and like rewriting what you thought was like really difficult is the best way. It's like exposure therapy. You just have to slowly inch your way into doing it, and then sooner or later it's going to become more natural. I think so, at least from today. That's what I understand.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be in DC this week and Miami in December, so if you want to meet up and spend a day talking to some people, shoot me an email at ruben@socialanimal.us and we'll make it work. That's it for today. See you next time.